I'm going to leave the fuel in the system. And I'm able to do that by running ethanol-free fuel through my entire machine. The regular like 87, 89 fuel contains ethanol, and that ethanol actually absorbs moisture from the air. And over the wintertime, it actually separates and corrodes your carburetors, gums up all of your injectors, all of your main jets, turns all of that into like a varnish that clogs everything up. And I was a mechanic for a very long time, and probably like 98% of people that brought their machines in with a no start issue left fuel in there over the wintertime and never even started it. And I asked them, why did you do so? Well, I just simply forgot, or I didn't know it was a problem. I didn't know what ethanol was. And get this, some people actually said, well, I don't want to let that fuel go to waste. You just wasted it by letting it sit in your machine and it turned into varnish. Now it's no good.